I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics fast. Check iOS version and the Bgmi app version so you know if compatibility is the issue. Once done, record recent changes like updates, new apps, or profile tweaks because these often cause conflicts. Make sure to back up progress by linking your account or enabling cloud save. This prevents data loss during troubleshooting. You do this now to avoid accidental resets later, and to isolate whether the crash follows an update, a setting, or corrupted data. You next remove corrupted temporary data. Force close Bgmi and reboot your iPhone to clear RAM and hung processes. If crashes persist, offload the app or delete and reinstall it. This replaces corrupted game files while preserving purchases when you use cloud-synced accounts. Once reinstalled, make sure to reset Bgmi permissions, grant or revoke location, microphone, notifications, and local network as required, because wrong permissions can trigger crashes during initialization or matchmaking, and you want the game to access what it needs. You should now focus on system-level fixes. Update iOS to the latest stable release to resolve API mismatches that cause crashes. If that is not available, enable reduce motion and lower in-game graphics while closing background apps to free resources. If the game still crashes, generate and collect crash logs, note your device model and the exact steps that reproduce the issue, and contact Bgmi support. One key troubleshooting tip. If a specific update introduced crashes, roll back any profile or beta software whenever possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.